Hi, today I'm making a pair of gloves. There's different ways you can make gloves, from the easiest, which is just drawing your hand, cutting two pieces of fabric, sew them together, and that's it, to others that are more complex, where there's a lot of pieces. The thumb is a separate piece, there's a piece between the fingers, but today I'm making a very simple one that looks good also. And for that I picked this fabric, this little piece of fabric that I had, and it has to be very elastic. It's very elastic because I'm not putting zippers or buttons or anything on the gloves, so it has to be very elastic. And before I start, I want to show you the test I made. Here it is. I made it with lace, a lace that I don't like, so it's fine. And it looks okay. I think this looks like that because when I saw them, this moves a lot, so it looks weird, but in general I think it looks good. First thing I did was draw my hand. I opened it as much as I could because we have to add the 1/4 of an inch, which is what we're gonna sew. So draw your full hand like this. This is how it looks like. And then I marked my thumb. With the help of this paper, is see-through. I don't know how you call it in English, but it's very helpful. I'm gonna make the thumb piece. I drew the thumb and now we're gonna flip it and drew the other side so we have a full thumb. And it looks like this. Now we have two pieces. We have our hand and our thumb. This always look horrible because I glue paper together and I draw them and I make a lot of tests, but yes, it looks something like this. We're gonna cut 2 of this and 4 of this. I normally add around 3/8 of an inch, but because our fabric is very elastic, I'm just going to add a 1/4 of an inch. I have my pieces here, the hand, the thumbs, and now I'm going to start stitching them together. And because they're too short to make them hem, I cut this little piece for the wrist. And this is the final result. The tips look a little weird, but because the curve is so small, I had a hard time sewing that part, but it's okay. The thumbs